Hi, I'm Lisa. Welcome to the Style Schedule. I am a New York City stylist, costume designer, and director, and I love putting together looks. I've seen it all, and I've seen it all come back. This week, I have a lot of things happening. I am planning a look from workflow to a fundraising event. I'm going to an opening night at the theater, and then I'm gonna have coffee with my bestie. So a lot going on and a lot of looks required. For this look, we're gonna go from my daytime work event to an evening fundraising event. Let's take a look at the day look. We're gonna start with a very neutral base, which is a black pant and black heels. We have the velvet, got the sparkly pants. They both work, but what should I do? I think I'm gonna go with the sparkle because it's that dressed up tonight and it's so barely noticeable during the day and daylight. I think I can get away with it at work. I love this purple sweater. I think the color is fantastic and vibrant. This seam down the center here is so lengthening and flattering on every body type. Carla Rockmore is just so outstanding in her design. Everything that she creates is memorable, and for me, it's just like that extra sort of energy and pizzazz. I love her stuff. I always say everyone needs a basic pair of black pumps. You can't go wrong with them. They look beautiful with these sparkly pants. They also look great with a pair of basic black jeans and a black turtleneck. You can rock that look too. Crossbodies are a go-to essential for me. You can wear it the way I'm wearing it right now, but you can also use it as a little clutch. I find them so versatile. So I transitioned from my workflow look into my evening look. And what that means is that I kept the black pants on and I kept the pumps and the earrings. And I popped on a lightweight jacquard leopard print. I snuck that in. And then I topped it with this Dennis Basso jacket. I love the length on this. This is the conversation starter. This is the showstopper right here. And it is so easy to walk into a formal event wearing a beautiful piece like this, and it just took seconds to pop on. This is the look I planned for opening night at the theater. This skirt is special because it's one of a kind. I know that we see and incorporate animal print a lot. I sure do. It's soft, it's taffeta, it's an elevated fabric. It's literally called a ball skirt, and that is exactly what it feels like. I feel like I'm ready to go to a ball, and it is so memorable. It's gonna look so good in photos, and I'm gonna look forward to wearing this again and again. Classic question, is it time for a pump or is it time for a boot? That all depends on what kind of evening we wanna have, I suppose. I'm thinking that both work. I'm going to the theater, I'm gonna be on the red carpet, I'm gonna have that moment. I'm going to get backstage. All these things are gonna happen. I think I wanna be so sure-footed. I think I'm gonna go with the boot. I love that the skirt is uber feminine, but the boots here, we've got some edge going on. We've got a different sort of strength in play. So this is a Lurex sweater. That gives it that special shine and sheen, and it looks sort of glittery. I love the way it works with this taffeta, with the leopard. I could also see myself wearing a more flat sweater without the Lurex, but this just gives it that special opening night kind of a vibe. And look how it glitters with the gold. I want to speak to the proportions here. The skirt is really flaring out, and that's such a nice contrast with the tighter shirt. So I'm getting to show my waist and I'm getting to show my curvy figure. And then we're sort of doing a dreamy, dramatic flare at the end of this look. This silhouette is so classic and fun. What's better with this than this chunky gold-handled bag? Looks adorable. We've got the hint of gold in the fabric. We've got those gold tones. I have the gold on the earrings. And again, it's easy and fun, and it's a little tough. It's a little edgy, you know? It's like, I'm here, I'm serious. I'm very serious about watching this play. This is coffee with my bestie. This is my look. This is a gorgeous olive Martha Stewart quilted jacket. I fell in love with this the second I saw it. I thought about how versatile it is, how memorable it is. It's easy to wear. It has pockets. All of the details are there. It feels substantial and it's lightweight at the same time. I could put this over a flannel. I could wear a long sleeve crew neck tee under this. This gives me a lot of options. And I just think when I talk to my friend at the coffee shop, she's gonna say, I love that piece. I've got two options here for shirts. I've got black shirt and an olive turtleneck. They both work. I'm wearing black jeans and black boots, so easy, easy. Let's see. You know, there's something great and really elevated about layering like colors. So let's do that. when you can layer like colors, there's this elevated, really effortless sort of chic that happens. Denim & Company always has me covered with jeans. These are stretch jeans. This is a great staple for my closet, a go-to essential. They feel great. You have 2 buttons there at the waist, but they're pull-on aside from that. They give you so much ease. You could wear these day into night seamlessly. These boots sort of echo a motorcycle boot vibe. They are easy to wear. They disappear. They help to lengthen that neutral base, but then you see the heel and you see how substantial they are, how they can carry you through the rough weather, how they're powerful, how they give you a sort of edge. I love the contrast of this edgy heel with this fluffy, shiny jacket. I styled 4 looks for my week. I go from a work day to an evening event, I'm going to opening night at the theater, and then I'm meeting my bestie for coffee. I have looks that cover all of those events, and I am so excited. To explore these looks, search the style schedule at QVC.com.